So you've purchased a Coleman Instant pop-up tent, you're at the campsite and you're looking up this video because you want to know how to pack it up. I'm going to show you. Packing up any pop-up tent is actually really easy. You're going to want to find the end of the tent that has this big elastic on it, and you're going to want to keep an eye on this elastic through the pack-up process. So starting at the side that has the elastic, you're going to grab the middle. You're just going to fold it up like this. Flip it up on its end. So at this point, it's going to kind of look like a giant taco, and that's the look that you're going for. Pop it up on its end. Now you'll notice when you pop it up, this tent is going to want to try to spin this way. Don't let it spin this way. That's not the correct way. So if it starts to spin like it is right now, just go ahead and get that taco shape again. And you're going to want to take the very top, as high up as you can reach. And you're going to fold that end in on itself as deeply as you can. And once you do that, everything else just kind of spirals on top of this. And we've got our trusty elastic. Go ahead, slide that around, and when you're ready to throw it back in the bag. Let's watch that again. Giant taco. Throw it on its end, grab the top, fold it under, push down, spin it into position, grab your elastic, and throw it in the car. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this tip helped you out.